Hey guys, Rini here from Simply Rini. Today we're going to talk about how to naturally reduce stress. This is one of the top questions that I get asked is how to reduce stress naturally, because we all live in a stressful world and we're all looking for natural solutions to kind of improve upon our lives and to support our bodies. So the top 3 essential oils that I always recommend to people who want to reduce stress is lavender, frankincense, and Roman chamomile. So these are great essential oils. They're calming and they are relaxing. They help to support the body in feeling balanced and to kind of help to balance the mood as well, and some great like mood management with that as well. So those are some great essential oils, and one of the top essential oils that you can use to help start supporting your body naturally to reduce that stress that I know we all feel. So let's go ahead and talk about some ways that we can use these essential oils and to naturally support our bodies and to reduce that stress. So the first way is to diffuse these essential oils. So you can diffuse them in a diffuser, or a great hack if you do not have a diffuser is you can add a drop to the palm of your hand. You can dilute it, which just means adding a carrier oil like a fractionated coconut oil, or a coconut oil, or sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, and you rub your hands together and you cup your hands over your nose and your mouth and you deeply inhale for 3 breaths. So that gives you the same benefits that you would get if you were to diffuse the essential oils. The second way that you can use these essential oils to help support your body in reducing the stress is topically. So like I said previous, you want to make sure you're diluting your essential oils with a carrier oil like a coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, or grapeseed oil. And you can apply to the soles of your feet, wrists, to your temples, or the back of your neck. This is just a great way to get those therapeutic benefits through using essential oils topically. So one of my favorite ways to use essential oils topically is through using roller bottles. So these are great to use as well, quick and easy to not only make but also use. So if you are looking for topical application of essential oils, I would definitely suggest you get some roller bottles. I'll leave a link below where you can purchase my favorite ones that I love to purchase, but those are just a great investment to make, especially if you're using essential oils every day. So the last way, and one of my favorite ways, is to add them to a warm bath. So make sure if you're adding them to the bath that you use some Epsom salt to help disperse the oils in the bath. But depending on the bathtub size, you want to add about 2 to 5 drops of essential oils. It's just a great relaxing and calming atmosphere, and it provides your body the support that it needs, especially to help reduce that stress. Since this is such a huge topic that I get asked a lot, I went ahead and created a kit for you guys. It's called Practical Ways to Use Essential Oils to Reduce Stress. So this kit has the top 10 essential oils to use to reduce stress, what they do to your body to help support the body, and then also tons of ways that you can use these oils to reduce stress in your everyday life. So on top of that, there's a couple bonuses for you guys, including some diffuser blends and roller bottle recipes that you can use. So I'll leave a link below where you can get that kit, but it definitely has some great information if you're looking for more ways to help support your bodies in reducing stress. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I provide weekly tips and tricks to help you live a more natural life. So I will see you next week. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I will see you next time.